This is my user-friendly graphical user interface for penetration testing, also known as EduPen. To begin with, I will outline why I've decided to make this project. Afterwards, a demonstration of the project will be conducted. I was looking to create this application because I feel there are not any graphical user interfaces designed for educating users on how to use penetration testing tools. The issues that I was looking to solve was the lack of all accessible user interfaces for penetration testing tools that incorporate accessibility features, as well as making an application that helps educate computing security students how to use penetration testing tools. Users that will benefit from my application are novice penetration testing users who want to be educated how to use the tools. Also, people who are dyslexic or colorblind will benefit from the application because of the clear sans serif font with blue, orange, black and white color scheme. When using my application, time will be saved when teaching or self-teaching students because it demonstrates how to use penetration testing tools with the help guides for each tool. The application guides the user through the stages involved in a penetration test, so the user can apply what they have learnt to real ethical penetration testing situations. I will now be performing a practical demonstration on how my application works on Kali Linux using NetBeans. When the application is launched, a disclaimer pop-up will appear for legal and ethical reasons as penetration testing tools are going to be used. Once the user has agreed to the pop-up and clicked OK, the homepage will open. The homepage allows for the user to choose what penetration testing tool they wish to use, as can be seen. Nmap and Metasploit have been integrated into the application. Below these tools is a Pro mode. This allows the user to access the terminal directly so that they can experiment using the tools for themselves without assistance. At the bottom left of the home page there is an exit button which closes down the application. On the right is an about button which gives a summary of the application, as can be seen here. The first demonstration will be using Nmap to perform a network scan. The Nmap page allows the user to choose between doing a network scan or vulnerability analysis on a network. The About page is designed to educate the user why a network scan is performed first. And the Help Commands page shows the user what commands the buttons are inputting into Nmap along with other basic commands. The first piece of functionality is retrieving the IP address of the computer that the user is on. The IP is then copied into the text box below so that the scan is performed against the user's own system. There are 5 network scan functions that have been pre-programmed into the buttons below. I will now demonstrate the functionality of the buttons, and the output from the scans is presented in the text area to the right hand side. First is single target. Now an IPv6 target, an aggressive scan, multiple targets, and 3 random hosts. Next, vulnerability analysis will be performed. There's help page and about page. It has similar command and about pages, but for the stage. Same again as before, the user's IP address is retrieved. It has 5 types of Nmap vulnerability analysis techniques, as shown here. Next is Metasploit, which is used for exploiting any vulnerabilities found in the previous stage. The same layout with the help commands and about and get my IP address buttons are here too. First, open the terminal and follow the steps on the interface. There are 4 exploits to choose from, as shown now. Once an exploit has been selected, copy and paste it into the terminal to run the exploit. Finally, the Pro mode that allows the user to type in whatever they want into a terminal with the help of these commands here.